If you intend to viz me up, I'll let you know I am a Sigma Giga Chad with skibbity ribs. Skibbity toilet.
I do feel like we've already done this scene.
Yep.
General, listen.
Like, where did you get all that merchandise?
And can I have some of it? Merchandise. It's always about the stupid merchandise. Ratchet, the world you're looking for no longer exists. You missed it.
What are you talking about?
What world? We're living in the same world, aren't we? Your world is no different from my world. Just shut up! I'm sorry. JR.
What you say? That you only meant well. Well, of course you did. What you say? That it's all for the best. Of course it is.
I was so wrong.
So wrong.
For so long.
So long.
Only trying to please myself.
Himself.
Girl, I was caught up in her lust when I really don't want no one else.
So
I know I should have treated you better, but me and you were meant to last forever. So let me in. Give me another chance to really be your man. So the roof caved in and the truth came out. I just didn't know what to do. But when I become a star, we'll be living so large. I'll do anything for you. So tell me, girl,
what you say?
that you only meant well. Well, of course you did.
What you say?
That it's all for the best. Because it is. What you say? That you only meant well. But of course you did. What you say? What did you say?
Girl, tell me what you say. I say I don't want you to leave me. Wait, we're not doing the rest of this?
What's going on now?
Open it up already! I'm trying, shut up! It seems that he has erased his memory.
Time is a tool, and you can put it on a wall. Wear it on your wrist.
I know the stupid Oh Hungry I'm Scared time song. Now where on earth is Carmen Sandiego?
The past is far behind us. The future doesn't exist.
Get him!
What's the time? It's 8:45. Time to have a bath. What do you mean? Mahogany clean. Scrub till the water's brown.
Where did he go? Where's my baby? That's not your child. I can't find him, sorry. Wait, I think I found something.
Clank?
James Arnold Taylor! What the? Eat your heart out!
Out the window, Clank, you're a genius!
I'm not even in this part, you idiot.
That's the end of this episode. Cork is really tired.